Abortion is the thing that was deeply polarizing the society over the last 5 years, and the current governing majority, which is represented also by President Andrzej Duda, undertook several attempts to restrict the abortion law. It is important to say that Poland has one of the most restrictive access to abortion across all the European countries. So the latest decision of the Constitutional Tribunal was some sort of a bypass of the parliament, because every time the government and the parliament tried to restrict the abortion, they were confronted with massive social protests. Right now, they try to bypass, as I said, bypass the legislation process and used the Constitutional Tribunal, which is, by the way, super loyal to the governing majority, to restrict the abortion, which was always on the top of the political agenda.
Well, they've done more than just trying to bypass Parliament. They've actually done that. So from a legal point of view, how can you contest this?
There is no way to contest it right now. The decisions of the Constitutional Tribunal, even this Constitutional Tribunal, which is no longer meets the standards of the independent body and which is composed of persons who were appointed for the position of a judge without a valid legal basis, are still binding and final. So when this judgment is published in the official Journal of Laws, that means that the abortion will be almost completely illegal in Poland.
In several cities across Poland, men belonging to the far-right or Polish youth attacked women protesting for this. Are you afraid now for people who are going to take to the streets demonstrating that this ban is overturned?
The situation is very, very tense, and as you said in the beginning, today we face 7th day of the continuous protest. Yesterday, the protests were organized in over 400 cities, and the police estimates that over 400,000 people took it to the streets and participated in those protests. So it goes without saying that, as I said in the beginning, as the abortion is so polarizing issue, there will definitely be certain reactions from, for example, the far-right groups. But I think it is most important to say that this is not the matter of clashes of two parts of the society. Over 73% of Poles are against the decision of the Constitutional Tribunal. What we are talking about right now is women, pregnant women, being confronted with the brutal force of the state that sentenced them to torture and inhuman treatment in the face of law.